In this video, we're gonna be learning how to run the PHP file and the basic syntax of PHP file. And I will gonna show you how to run the file in localhost. So let's just get started. First, let me open the software which we install to run the localhost. In our case, we are using the Xampp. So let me open the Xampp and you see Apache and MySQL is running. We are good. Now the second thing we have to open is the Notepad++, the text editor. You can use whatever text editor you want. Right now in this case we are using Notepad++ because I like it. It's a simple and clean one. So those you guys who don't know about the basic directory structure in Xampp, let me show you now. I'm going to my computer, and here you guys probably know that I installed the Xampp in different folder, but now I just move it from another one, which is work. So I'm opening work. You see Xampp. In Xampp, the htdocs is a folder where you put all your projects files. So let me just open it up, and I will gonna create the new folder, and I will give the name of PHP for the simplicity. Okay, so PHP has been created, and here let me tell you one piece of information right now. PHP use the index.php file as a default file. If you will go to the browser URL and you will hit the domain, if there will be a PHP file in your server available, it will show you that file. Otherwise it could show you the directory list or file list in the browser, or give you a restriction error. So index.php is the default file. For instance, if you write abc.com/contact.php, it will go to the file and search for contact.php in your server file. But if you just say abc.com, then it will directly go to search the index.php file. And even if you write abc.com/index.php, it will work as well. I'm gonna use Notepad++, so here let me save our first index.php file. I will have to go to my work directory, and then Xampp, and then htdocs, and here we will gonna say php, and now index.php. Okay, it's saved. Now let me show you we don't have any error. First of all, let me show you the localhost is running. So if you will write localhost in your browser, you will able to see the default dashboard of your software, whatever you are using. In our case, we are using Xampp, so here we are. Now how to access the file? We will have to write localhost and then the name of the folder we add in our htdocs. You guys remember in htdocs we add php, so here we will gonna add php. We are good, no error occur, so it's nice and clean right now. Now let me show you the basic structure of PHP. The basic opening structure of PHP is this, and the closing structure is this. Whatever you will gonna write in between will be considered as the PHP code. Browser will understand that this is the PHP code. So, and whatever you will gonna write outside it, it will be considered as HTML, jQuery, CSS, whatever. And even you can embed those codes in PHP, as you will learn in later videos. So right now, for the sake of understanding, let me use one of a command of PHP, the very simple and basic command, so you get understand that we are able to run the file. So I'm gonna use echo command, which is used to display the things in PHP. It is the very simple and popular, as I just said. So let me say this is our first basic PHP tag. That's it. And say semicolon. In the programming, semicolon is used to recognize as a line terminator. It will let the program understand that the command or whatever instruction that we are giving is end here. If you won't give the semicolon, it will produce error for the next command. So I will show it, don't worry about that. For now, just stick with the thing that I'm teaching you. So in browser we will be able to see this right now. So if I run, you see this is our first this is our first basic PHP text. Great. Now we have to go back and write something else as well. What if we say now, hmm, second line of this file, save it, control F, and then go back and refresh. Oh, as you can see, this is our first basic PHP tag. That was a first. Second line of this file, it do not add a line break here. So for that, what we can do, there are a couple of things that we can use, but the basic and simple one is that use the HTML tag here to tell the browser that we have a line break here. So you guys probably know about HTML because you are learning PHP, so I just assume that you all know about HTML. So this is the line break tag of HTML. Now if I save here, if I go here, if I refresh, you see it just came in second line. Okay, the very last thing that I have to teach here is, what if I just remove the semicolon? As I told you earlier, it will throw an error. You see the syntax error has been generated by the script, and it is saying that echo expecting comma or semicolon on line number 3. It is also telling you the line number. So let me just go here. As you can see here, that line has been generated perfectly, but we didn't told the browser that our echo has been completed. If we put that, browser understood, but we didn't. So the browser run that script, when it just moved to this line without knowing that the function echo function above has been completed, it said what happened, we have another echo even though the last one didn't got completed. So it throw the error here, right here, not here. So that is why it is line number 3. So this is the most confusing error you will see, just because of the semicolon, and it is very important in any programming language. So that's all for this video. We will gonna come in next lecture and learn more things. So thank you for now. Bye bye.